Guys, you made it. You're at Show Me Tint. I'm Randy. I'm going to show you what's happening in the shop today. So what we're doing on this car here is a Charger. What is this, a red eye? Red eye. Shop's popping today. We're so busy right now. Literally, there's customers just in and out, in and out, in and out. So you get the inside track. You don't got to wait in line. You get to see what's going on. It was really cool. The car we just sent out, the customer saw it on our YouTube channel before he saw it in person. So that was super sick. I love that. So I hope you guys are checking it out. I hope you're having a good time with it. Let me tell you what we're gonna do to this. A red eye, this is a wide body. So this is what these parts here, they kind of stick off the car. Obviously, because they're wider, they're more prone to rock chips. So we're gonna do some film over it. We're gonna do full front clip, is what we call it, when we're doing a full hood, full fenders, and the fender flare, and then the bumper. So this is a pretty challenging bumper. You know, I've done a lot of them, so I'm gonna murder it, obviously. Just kill it. I should not say that on YouTube. Beep that out if we can't say that, I don't know. I'm gonna do a great job. And then we're gonna do some rockers, is what we call this lower piece down here. And we're gonna do these fender flares on the back. And we're gonna do this, a little piece behind the rear wheel, because I guarantee you this guy is cooking off the tires. I know this guy, I've seen him drive. He's a wild man, and I love it. So we're gonna get him all protected so he can drive his whip. We're gonna get it out by the weekend, and then we're gonna jump onto this Grand Sport. This thing is minty fresh. I'm telling you, I have a spot for these cars in my heart. This car makes me think of something that's coming up, and I can't tell you what it is yet. It's not a total lock, but it'll be here soon. It's gonna be sick. So you have to check it out. Today's been jam-packed with fun, excitement, lots of cool cars. This car is getting the same thing. I always recommend, people say, what do you recommend? Full front clip, obviously. Anything up here going down the road is gonna be prone for damage. So we like to get these all protected in full pieces. That way you see no lines, no seams, and it just looks like your car. And it's all protected. So if you can fit it into your budget, that's what I always recommend. I think it's a good solid package. I try to keep it affordable. Obviously, we're gonna throw some rockers on here. Look at this. These will get beat up, right? So we're gonna carbon fiber, protect these carbon fiber pieces. These pieces are notoriously known. I guarantee you there's some rock chips already on these pieces. So we're gonna rip this factory piece off. Why would they not even cover this part? We're gonna run it all the way, this whole big piece, and this thing will be ready for the road. Someone can drive this car. It's super clean though, already. This one just rolled in. We barely got it out of the rain. Nick's gonna bust out a graphic kit on a Lamborghini. He's trying to decide if he has to take the mirrors off. Customer's like, please don't take my mirrors off. Do not do that. It's a cool ass car, so we're excited to work on it. We're doing a lot of fun stuff today. I would obviously recommend some paint protection on this thing if it's not got it already. It looks like it's got a little strip. That won't do much. We'll talk to him about that when the time comes. Right now, we're doing some crazy cool graphics. I can't wait to show it to you when it's all wrapped up. Oh, I gotta show you this. I gotta show you. Slink over here with me. I got this over here. Tell me this is not sick. What? Most wrap guys couldn't even put that on. Nick nailed it. It looks so sick. I love it. Look at those colors popping. You remember? That looks so sick. Look at the definition, the different color shades in there, all covered with a matte laminate to match the matte finish on the truck. So that's two things. These are two different materials. We're trying to match the theme. Matte laminates are pretty rare. I don't know that I've ever done this combination before, so I'm excited to complete the project. This has finally got these together. This was a tough little stumbling block, building this all up and getting this ready for the customer. Delayed the project a little bit, but now we're on point. So it's going out. We're gonna have this thing wrapped up. My best part, I get paid finally. I've been waiting on that, so I'm excited. And then we got a bunch of stuff going on in the tint shop. You wanna go down and check it out real quick? Because I'm ready to get some work on. Oh, there's an RV out here. You guys missed that real quick? Just to show you like my day. Here's an RV waiting on some paint protection for me. No big deal. Just chilling, you know what I mean? Normal tint shop stuff. No big deal. Just regular Springfield, Missouri, whatever. North side of Springfield. Killing it. No big deal. Let's go! Show me tint. Chop shop. Nathan Curry. There's my son Mav. Boom! This guy, happy ending. What is up? Happy ending. Well, the customer is happy this wrap is ending. He's called us to remove all the chrome wrap. Although it's pretty wild and kind of cool. Our job, we're hired on to remove this wrap. And I'm here for it, you know what I mean? I always say whatever you want to write the check for, I'm down. You want it on, you want it off, how do you want it? I'm on it. This is going to be a huge pain for somebody, not me. Probably Hunter, honestly. That's probably I'm gonna have to do that because it's a crappy job. But it's cool. The girls, yeah. High five. Guys, you ready for this? All right, I want to show you this real quick too. Check it out. We can pretty much do anything, honestly. You know what I mean? Let me shut off the lights so we can get a good shot of that. So this is the finished product of the Starlight headliner. You can see the different, like, all the little strands that were hanging down, they're all trimmed up flush with the headliner. They actually put a new headliner in when they did this installation. It looks pretty sick, man. I don't remember, I think it's like a 750 kit is what they call that. It's like 750 lights, but you can do multiple different setups. You can add a bunch of lights. There's like 1,000 kit or 3,000 kit, you know. I don't know what vehicle I'll put mine in. Probably my single cab, I think. I think it'll be sick. So, you guys wanna go see what's going on in the tint shop? Let's go. Guys, we made it down to the tint shop. We're just having a little fun with the guys. You guys staying busy? You guys liking it? Yeah, everybody had a good time. But now we're making lots of money, I hope, soon. We're just doing some regular tint. So this is just, we're doing a little, just regular old window tint here. Yeah, fancy windshield, yeah. Checking this thing up, making sure it's all fine and right. We'll do that for our customers when they come in. We don't just stop it when they make the sale. We like to make sure stuff's looking good. You're gonna be driving it forever. We wanna make sure it looks good forever. Oh, check this boat out, dude. This is for my dude, Ashley. He is a cool customer. Let me tell you, he's always got some cool stuff. I love it. He's like, it's just a little wake boat, no big deal. Yeah, just a cool ass, sick ass dream boat for me. No big deal. This is just what I want. Peanut butter inside, come on. Oh my God. This dude is so pimping. This is what I need. This is what I'm gonna buy. He'll probably sell this one next year. This thing is so sick. Guys, I want to say thanks for checking it out today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy seeing what we're doing here. We love doing good jobs for you guys, and I appreciate it. Make sure if you get a chance, like, subscribe this. It actually really helps us out. You know, it'll make YouTube take us a little more serious. We're just a little channel, but with your help, we can make it big. So let's go big. All right, guys, thanks. All right, what do you want me to do first?